owns these yobs, the places that rob those deserving. Not the god of the heart, ours an equal part, to keep good and make smart. Who are you serving?